Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is circle. This is square. This is star. This is heart. This is triangle. This is pentagon. Circle, square, star, heart, triangle, pentagon. Let's color it. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. This is sky blue color. Circle shape. Pink color. This is pink color. Square shape. This is light green color. Light green color. Star shape. Light green color. This is red color. Red color. Heart shape. This is brown color. Brown color. Brown color. Triangle shape. Next one, purple color. Purple color. Pentagon shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. Circle, square, star, heart, triangle, pentagon. Thank you kids. Bye bye. See you in next video.